A day in the life of an algo trader is not exactly what you might expect. Expensive sports cars, parties, boats, all of these false expectations that fake guru traders try to convince the young generation of. In this video, I'll share exactly what it takes to become a full-time algo trader. And I can tell you before I even start, it's not purchasing a single robot that will make you a millionaire. I usually wake up around 6 a.m. Never with an alarm though, my brain just knows it's time to start the day because there's always a lot that needs to get done. I get up, go to the kitchen and make a coffee, then it's straight to my trading desk. But I don't look at my trading accounts right away. The first thing I check is the tables with all the robots and strategies I'm running. That's where I need to get creative, figuring out new systems and methods to test for the day. I focus on the positive accounts, ignoring those in a losing phase. Finding the winning formula is the key here. If you find a system that works for you, you can create similar systems that will also work. This concept can be applied in everything. For example, with YouTube, Mr. Beast was one of the first to talk about the winning formula after he made a series of popular videos. One of them skyrocketed on YouTube, so he created more videos using the same concept, and this brought him millions of views and subscribers. As an example, I started trading the top 3 herein expert advisors from the top 10 robots app, and I found that it works really well when I look at the performance in the last month. So then I tested this with the rest of the currency pairs and saw that applying this strategy was a winning formula. So in the mornings when my mind is fresh, I review my accounts and I look for ways to multiply my winning systems. Then I take the kids to the kindergarten, which can be challenging when you have 3 at home. At 9 a.m. we have our team meetings. This is when I discuss the accounts and robots with the rest of our team. Now, you don't need a team to be a successful trader. Until last year I was doing all the trading myself, but now that I have successful systems and automated processes, I can easily delegate this work to others and manage hundreds of accounts. And how do we do that? Firstly, we have our own local VPSs. We've built 2 powerful machines that currently run 20 VPSs in total. We can comfortably place between 10 and 20 MetaTrader platforms on each of these VPSs. So totally we trade between 150 and 200 platforms with thousands of robots. It was a large initial investment, but it paid itself off quickly because it saved me almost $1,000 per month in VPS fees from external providers. Secondly, we have organized and track everything in a spreadsheet. I know exactly which robots I am trading, the risk of each, which account it is, and whether it's live, funded, a challenge, or a demo. And lastly, we use highly regulated and reputable brokers like DAOinex, 8Cup, and Black Bull because trading with bad brokers leads to bad results and often the inability to withdraw profits. Black Bull is a favorite of ours because they offer leverage of 1 to 500. In Europe, where we are based, most brokers are regulated by SISEC, which limits leverage to 1 to 30, making trading conditions much more challenging. But don't worry, it doesn't mean you have to do all of that. If you are a beginner or working a full-time job, you can start by running a few MetaTrader platforms on your personal computer or on a single VPS. I test and trade so many robots because I want to be using the best ones available, and I also want to review the most popular ones on my YouTube channel. After sharing my challenges and live accounts publicly on the website, I know I'm saving many of you time and probably money by testing new robots. robots. And if you appreciate that, it would be great if you could, well, you know the rest. After we finish the meetings, which usually take no more than 2 hours each day, it's time for my second coffee. I try to take a break every 2 hours. During those breaks, I often do something around the house to give my eyes a rest from the screen. For example, I recently finished renovating the kitchen. I disassembled it, I sanded everything down and repaired it, successfully transforming it from this to that. Of course, I had a little help from a friend and a lot of help from my dad. Alright, so how many accounts do I trade? My goal is to trade 10 live accounts at any given moment and an additional 10 challenge or funded accounts. These are the real accounts. The rest are demo and testing accounts. I feel comfortable putting my trading capital across 20 accounts. It's not that I can't manage more, I can, but it just becomes too much. If you are a beginner or have a full-time job with only 1-2 hours a day for trading, I would recommend starting with one demo account and one live account. Test the robots you want on the demo and transfer the profitable ones on your live account. The easiest way to do this is by connecting your demo account to FX Blue. Go to the strategy tab and you will see which robots are performing the best. This way you are only trading the profitable ones on your live account and you know you've tested them yourself. Don't rely on others or YouTubers sharing their results. Don't trust these guys. In the afternoons, I usually spend time recording videos, answering comments, and helping my team with the academy. The Trading Academy is something I'm really passionate about because it helps thousands of traders get started with algo trading. We recently updated the 21-day program, which is completely free. It helps both beginners and advanced traders by offering free courses, free expert advisors, and teaching different trading systems. Most importantly, the program helps traders find the right expert advisor for their trading style or goals. At the end of the day, my main goal is to spend time with my kids and wife. For the last 10 years, I was spending over 12 hours a day in front of monitors, searching for those winning trading robots. Honestly, I feel tired, but happy with everything I've done and continue to do. I'm very grateful to have so many subscribers who watch my videos from start to finish. It gives me a lot of energy and motivates me to keep trading and sharing my experience. But that's not the end of my workday. Late in the evening, after the kids are asleep, I spend another 2-3 hours analyzing everything, trying to optimize my time. I keep working as long as I can keep my eyes open. Then I get a few hours of sleep before starting all over again. So if you think you can become an algo trader by buying one robot and earning millions, watch this video again because that's the reality. But I'm not complaining. If I could go back 10 years, I'd do it all over again, would I? Absolutely. I love what I do, but it's a lot of work. So, do you think you are ready to be an algo trader?